Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook braised pork belly with potatoes. This is a super popular dish from China. A lot of people enjoy it. Hope you will like it too. So now let's start. We first need to cut the pork belly into cubes like this. Prepare the pan and boil some water. Put the pork belly into the pan while the water is still cold. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Cooking wine will help to make the pork belly smell better. When the water boils, take the pork belly out from the pan. Now clean the pan and put the pork belly into it without adding oil. Keep on stir-frying until the pork oil comes out. In this way, the pork won't taste greasy later. Put the pork belly onto a plate. Add some crystal sugar into the pan. Keep on stirring until the sugar melts. Put the pork belly back into the pan. Mix well. Now we need to add the spices. We need some scallion and ginger. Also some bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, and dry chili. Mix well and you will smell the flavor of the spices very soon. Add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 2 spoons of soy sauce. Mix well. Add some hot water. Remember that it has to be hot water, or else the sugar will coagulate. Cover the pan and switch to small fire to cook for half an hour. Meanwhile, we can prepare the potatoes. After half an hour, add the potatoes into the pan. Add ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Cover the pan and cook for another 10 minutes. Now switch to big fire and cook until the soup base thickens. Now it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.